So here's how to show and display FPS on NVIDIA app. So first you want to make sure you have the NVIDIA app if you have an NVIDIA GPU, of course. So if you don't, you want to open the browser and search for NVIDIA app. Click on the first link and it should take you to the website where you can download and install NVIDIA app. Now you want to open NVIDIA app. And in here, you want to go to the settings section and make sure NVIDIA overlay is enabled and this checkbox is green. And now you will simply need to press this hotkey in here, which is Alt plus Z to open the overlay. So you can press Alt plus Z and it should show the overlay. So it should look something like this, where you press Alt Z and it should show up on this overlay. Now you want to go to statistics at the bottom here, and you want to make sure that show statistics in heads up display is enabled. And now you want to press Alt plus R to toggle this on or off. Now that should display the FPS and other stats at the top right here, if you can see FPS and other stuff. Now you want to use Alt plus Shift plus R to cycle through these metrics to use different layouts, or you can simply click on this arrow here. So for example, this one will only show the frame rate. Now if you press Alt Shift R, it should switch this. Now you can do the same if you are in a video game. You can cycle through these to see different metrics, or if you want, you can only display the FPS. You can set it in here FPS only, and then close this statistics, and it should only display the FPS when you are in game or using other apps. Now if the FPS counter is not showing on your game, so first you want to make sure you add the game to the NVIDIA control panel. So you want to right click on the desktop. So for example here, right click and then open the NVIDIA control panel. And in here, you want to click Manage 3D Settings and then click Program Settings. And in the drop down here, you should see all the games or selected programs that are customizable by NVIDIA. So if you click the drop down and if you don't see your game in here, what you can do is click on the add or the add button. And this window should show up. Now in here you want to scroll down and add your game, such as PUBG in here, which is TSL game, and then click on add selected program. Now if you don't see or you can't find your program in here, you can click on browse and browse directly to the game.exe file and then click on open. And now it should be added to this list. Then you can click on add selected program. And then once your game is added in here, you can simply close this and then restart the game. And it should show the FPS counter and you can cycle through and see different metrics. That's about it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.